Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like, and also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video I want to show and tell you how to pin a Facebook publication. To do this you will need to go to Facebook. You have there, for example, some of your posts. You open your account if you have a list of your posts, and you want to pin any of these posts to be in the first place. How do you do it? Everything is very simple for this. You just need to choose a post. First go to your profile and then choose a post, and then you click here 3 dots above the post and press the button Pin Post, and after that your post is fixed and becomes in the top. That is, if you have any other posts, this post moves to the top, will be the first, and will be fixed as the only post. So this is how it all works, nothing complicated. Then if you want to unbind it, for this you click also 3 dots here, Unpin Post, and after that your post is unbinded. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.